Hello everybody and welcome to my second home. I actually have another Meta unboxing today. I got it around the same time I got the Ruru dress and they just so happened to be shipped out the same week as each other. So the Ruru dress I had obviously shipped to my other home and this one I had shipped to here. Also, I figured because eventually I'm going to be having to move everything up here anyways, if I have to pay international shipping, might as well just have it sent up here. So I'm pretty sure I mentioned it in the last video, but 2022 Meta had been popping off, and so I cannot help myself but get the full set of the Rosalie JSK. The jumper skirt came with the dress and the matching cape, and then of course I had to get the bonnet and the blouse. So while I'm normally for the most part in the regular size for Meta, depending on the item, I'm kind of on the end of some items, so I can also be a little bit flexible and fit into the plus size. However, for the most part, even though some regular size items might be small on me, the plus size items are also too big on me. But so by the time that I got around to ordering this set, unfortunately the colorway which I was in love with, which is the lavender, was sold out in the regular, so I took a chance and I got the plus size. So I'm really hoping and praying here that that it fits and it works with me today. Oh, whoa, okay. Wow, I got a whole bunch of stuff today. This is cute. So it has like a little catalog for the newest release, Sacred Magic Item Collection. Wow, this is so cool. I remember getting these in the old GLBs back when you could order them straight from CD Japan when it was still in print. RIP that magazine. That's really cool. Thank you, Azalea. All right, so it looks like that's what I get this time. No postcards, but of course I get another Meta sticker. Thank you, Azalea. She's helping me unpack today. Oh, okay. So we're doing the bonnet, I guess, first. And wow, this is so pretty. So online, the pictures make the ribbon look a lot darker. They're actually quite a bit lighter than I thought that they were gonna be. Oh my goodness, I love the colors. So it's definitely lavender with ivory. I did not realize that there was this heart lace. So pretty. And of course, we got a little comb right there to help the bonnet stay on your head. This beautiful Rochelle lace, like usual, that Meta is known for. And baby is behind me trying to open everything. Hey, I said, can you wait for me, please? Come here. What did you take? Mom. Thank you for giving it back. Come here. I want it in all the colors now. I also really liked it in blue, but my favorite color in the world is purple. Blue is my second favorite, but I just really like this. Oh, this is so pretty. There you go. Oh, so cute, hermosa. So I think that, oh yeah? So I think that out of all the brands, Meta's probably the best at taking photos. However, this is definitely like a more like beigey ivory. It's really pretty though. I wasn't expecting it to be this dirty ivory color. I was expecting a little more of a stark white, and also I was expecting these ribbons to be a lot darker. Yeah, I mean, I'll put up the picture here and you can tell me for yourself. This is so pretty. Whoa. This is so pretty. So the trumpet sleeves are elastic, which is nice. It'll fit a wide variety of arms. So if you have like skinny arms, I mean, I guess I kind of have like skinny forearms, but like I feel like I kind of have like some guns. I definitely have broad shoulders. So we'll see. I think the blouse I got is the regular size. This is really cute. Full shearing, ties in the back. You know, I don't think I've got any of their blouses as of recently, so I guess I'll find out if I can fit in the standard size or if I'll need to up to the plus size next time, just to accommodate my linebacker American shoulders. And here is the jumper skirt. Oh, just look at the lace. It's so pretty. The little rose lace. Oh my goodness, the Rochelle lace is so soft. Where is the caplet? Oh, okay, it's folded up in here. All right, I think let's start off with this because it's smaller and easier to hold. Wow, this is so pretty. I definitely feel like I'm gonna have to start adding more ivory to my wardrobe. So pretty, oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. And of course the ornamental corset lacing in the front, but we all know the back is where all the action is with Meta. All right, this kind of looks like it's a little big. I'm a little scared. I guess it wouldn't be too much of an issue to take in the elastics. Oh my goodness. Perfect. So it looks like they left the channels in the elastic open right down the middle, so you can actually quite easily get into the elastic and tighten it. Wow, thanks Meta. You guys just get awesomer by the minute. That was a really good idea. Thanks. That actually makes it incredibly easy to make this fit me. Oh, okay, I brought a few things up here with me that I was hoping to pair with this dress so I could wear it while I was up here. So here, once again, is how Misako Aoki corded it, and let's see if I can figure something out. There's this full set look that I could do, but because it's a jumper skirt, there's also room for more variety as well.
So first thing up is this baby bolero that I brought up the first time I came up here, and it happens to be the perfect shade of ivory, so I think it looks really cute with this, a cute little like cottagecore Morike type of vibes. I think this looks really good with and without the bonnet, very historical looking. Man, this dress is so comfortable, honestly. Also, yay, I am just barely big enough to fill it out, so it's not too big on me, thankfully. As you can see, Izzy really enjoyed helping me this time around, getting dressed, swinging on my dress. This dress is just so beautiful, and if you guys have any ideas of how I could best cord this, give me some ideas, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!